What's up? How's it going, everyone? How we doing today? How's everyone doing? Econ, Jat B, Het. How's it going, everyone? We got Jat B for 4, says BCH and Jasmine update. Yeah, I got Bitcoin Cash up on the screen right now. There's only one person in here. I appreciate the 4. We're gonna wait for a couple more people to show up. Sunday, so I don't know how many people are gonna show up today, but we're here. We are here. See if we can get more than 3 people in here before we start talking about anything, huh? Where's everyone at? Watching football? Crypto's down, so no one cares about it anymore. All right, so Bitcoin Cash here is looking. Oh, it's looking good. It's high to the low. It just broke over the 618 here, so it confirms this downwards move is over. As long as you stay over 496 here, you're at 502, up 9% on the week here. Not looking bad. It's over the, let me move this one out of the way. So the next price to beat is 584 here. And once you get over 584, it should start going again. But the curl up down here, the market structure we've been watching, and it's spiking up. We're seeing a lot of things do this exact move. The market is waking up slowly here. But yeah, you're over the macro 786 here, so also a good step in the right direction. It looks good. It's about to run up and make a higher high potentially. So maybe the 1272 is the next stop on this thing. 25 billion market cap to 1300. Seems like a lot, but it's only 158% move. But the momentum is clearly up here. And then Jasmine, we got 5 people in here. Let's pump this up to 60 people again. What is Jasmine doing? I haven't looked at it today. Jasmine, where you at? There we go. Yeah, we've been watching Jasmine here, and it's been looking good. After it broke the downtrend here, it back tested it, and it's just been holding, and now it's moving up. So the 2 prices we've been watching on this one are 2-3. You're over that, and then the 3 pennies here. That's exactly where you're getting stuck, the 618. But you're bullish over the 382 here short term. And then once you break over the 618 at 29, 3 pennies here. My opinion is that's going to send the price up to 5 pennies. And we'll try to finally be macro bullish over 5, 100% move, so a 2x from where you are right now. But it's doing all the right things here. Let me see, maybe SEI kind of pushed up. What's up, Flip Coins? Go ahead and open Deck Screener while I'm at it. Yeah, the last couple of streams have been kind of dead. The last one we did, there wasn't hardly anyone in here. Wonder where everyone went. It'll just take time. Gotta wait 2 hours and then people will start showing up. But yeah, there's a lot of things in good positions right now. XRP's still moving. Pulling back, but it got stuck right at the 786 here. H bar stuck at resistance. Oh yeah, I forgot Shiba here's. Let's see. Yeah, Shiba's not looking bad here. Potentially about to spike up again on Shiba. Shiba. What's up, daiquiris all day? Welcome back. Good to see you in here. Slowly getting people in. I'd imagine no one got notified. I didn't stream yesterday. You guys probably are aware of that. What's up, Stony? What's up, Charlie? Charlie for 2. How's it going? I appreciate that. Could you look at bonk on base? Yes, we can. Wait, let me first put this on the larger screen. Bonk on base. He says, pick me. Bonk on base. Let's see here. Yeah, Bonk's another one that we like on base. Bonk, Pepe, Blue Foster. Is there anyone making money right now? XCN's moving. Yeah, this one looks good. It's now above the 382. So as long as you're above 7011, you are good to go here. You are officially bullish. Keep it that simple. It's curling up. This one to the new high is still about a 34.5, almost a 35x. Real good play. Bonk on base. I appreciate the 2. TAI, he says. Stony says buy slave coin. I don't know what that is. Slave coin. It probably is. Everything's always priced in. What happened? I didn't even pay attention to anything. What happened in the Middle East? I spent the day with my boy yesterday. That's why I didn't live stream. And I did not watch any news or anything. But I don't really think it matters. Unless we go on full-fledged World War III or something and the economy crashes, I don't think it's going to affect anything. We're still going to have a bull run and things are still going to go up. Let's see here. But yeah, how you guys doing? The few that are in here. Hopefully you guys are doing good. But yeah, I had a good day yesterday. Got to spend time with my boy and it was awesome. Let me look at TIA for... Hold on, what are we on here? Het's always here, so I'll look at TIA for him. Is there anything moving today? I mean, like moving? Oh, I guess TIA is moving. Up 53% on the week. I don't remember the last time we looked at it. I guess it was down here. Broke through the line here. Let me see what this is. Yeah, nice double bottom curl up here. You're over the 382, 725, so it's looking good here. You're bullish over that level on the macro. Next stop is 889 here, 890. Yeah, and if you go from that high to the low, you're over the 618. It's in a good spot right now. It's moving. Hopefully you got in down here. And then once you get over 1090, 11 bucks, this is over, and you can look at the higher prices at that point. This one potentially to a 13.7 billion market cap to 33 is a little over 4x from where it is right now. But yeah, it looks good right now. At least someone's making some money. We got Charlie for 2 again. How's Based Pepe looking to you? Based Pepe. Got too many windows open. Yeah, I appreciate the 2 again. Israel did a strike in Beirut. Did it really? I haven't caught the news, like I said. Let me flip this over. The little pad I got my laptops on is just, the laptop is like super hot right now. Like on the bottom. It didn't used to do that. Hopefully this laptop doesn't go out on me. What was I looking at? Oh, he said Based Pepe. No, that's not what I want to do. Back over to Deck Screener. You mean Pepe on base, huh? Pepe. Oh, excuse me. This one or the top one? Based Pepe. This the right one? Flip coins for 10. I appreciate that. Used car and Billy. I'm trying to cope. What are they doing? Yeah, we'll go look at them. I appreciate the 10. Blue hat. Yeah, this is the one we've been looking at. Let me just check. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, this thing looks good still. It's gone up a little bit since the last time we looked at it. It's just stair-stepping its way and climbing up here. Making higher highs and higher lows. The chart looks extremely bullish. The next big stop up is the 2618 at 2.5, 122% move. And really the only other thing we can do on this is draw much smaller to see if you're going to stay bullish here. But the fact that it's making higher highs and just it's still moving. It's a slow mover, but it's moving. So as long as you're above 9.6, 7096, and then you can even take it further down. You're above the 382 here at 10. But like I said, without picking at every little thing we can, it's an overall bullish chart here. Yeah, it looks good. Next time we look at it, it'll be a little bit higher probably. I mean, there's so many things we could draw on these charts. So we go that high to the low, you're sitting right over the 2272 at 10.7. And 12.9 would be a price to beat. But yeah, it looks good. Used car. What is used car doing? Oh no, you're coping hard. Damn, why is she coming down so hard? All right, so we said the 7.3 here is the price to hold. You're at 7.0. Maybe this turns into a wick. If this falls down more and turns into a wick, that would be a real good sign. And if it holds up here, so if we see this thing turn into a wick, then you got some hope here and it'll go back up. But it's on the support level here. It's below it, but it's not always going to be perfect. 80x to a new high now, where it is now. Everybody piling the used car. It's going to do an 80x before we know it. I would just say it shouldn't fall lower than this area. If it goes all the way back down here, then there's some kind of problem. But yeah, she came down to where we said she was coming down to. Where's Billy? There he is. Billy's coming back too. Down below the 382, but it's trying to hold here. And that's what it did back here, and then it just went down. All right, so as long as you're below 439 here, or 417, you got to try to stomach a drop again. This thing could drop 30%. Jeez. That's why they're gamble plays. We just need the market to start going up already. But it did just make a higher high. It's still making higher lows. So even if it does drop 30%, it'd still be a higher low and a bounce. But yeah, they're looking bearish on the meme coins right now, on some of them. I wonder if that's because Solana pulled back. But yeah, I appreciate the 10. PNG still doing nothing right. Probably. And we got 18 people here. Where's everyone at? But yeah, hopefully that helped you with your coping. Let's see. But yeah, I'm slowly missing everything. XCN, y'all saw XCN started taking off? I just did a couple updates on the channel today. What was it? SUKU or math? I can't remember which one it was. One of those are about to start moving. What'd you say? Is PNG doing anything? PNG. Probably not. It's probably in the same exact spot. Yeah. This thing never moves. It just goes up and down and stays a little candle here. Yeah, PNG is not doing anything. There's nothing to say on it that we haven't been saying for the last forever. Couple of months now. Yeah, PNG's not doing anything. Oh, Peanut topped out. Yeah, Spell left me behind. Yeah, Spell's in a real good spot here. And this is what I just covered this morning. It was either SUKU or math. I can't remember which one. But they're still down here, not moving yet. They're about to do this. XTN just woke up and it's doing this. Spell woke up, as we can clearly see here. It broke back above the trend. Once it gets over 9.6, the bottom is in. Yeah, Spell's in a real good spot here. You're confirmed high to the low. Yeah, you're over the 382 and you're over the once uptrend turn resistance. So once you get over 9.6 here, time to move up. Yeah, spell looks bullish here. What's up, Alex Red? Kubos. Rico says Frog on Soul is going to be huge. Yeah, that's what they told me about Toad. And then Toad stowed my money. Gave it my money and it hopped away with it. Frog on Soul. Eric says ICP. ICP. So is ICP actually going to be a huge deal? Yeah. ICP just curled up. Same exact structure here. Curled up, higher lows. Once you get over 1440 there, 1450, the bottom is confirmed in. Low to the high, 618, and now it's back above the 382, so bullish over 970. And then, yeah, right now it's at resistance at the 0.5 at 1108. It's just above it, so we'll see. And once you get over 1290, this little downwards move is officially over, and that'll push you through the 236. And then as for how high ICP is going to go, I have no idea. ICP to a 786 retracement, a $311 billion market cap. Is that possible? That's a 60x. 200 bucks, 96 million market cap. That's probably the realistic target, I would say. 18x, and then a 0.5 retracement to a 42 billion market cap is an 8x to 90 bucks. Personally, I know nothing about ICP really, or the community, but if I had it, I would probably take a lot of my profit here and then here. We got Charlie for 2 again. I appreciate that. What happened? Toad is trash too. Yeah. But yeah, we got Charlie for 2. Do you think ALB is holding up? Alien Base. What's up? He said I sold my ICP for some near because ICP was at resistance. Yeah, I'm looking at these coins like I looked at this morning. These Coinbase coins that are still down here, like XCN was, like the one I just covered was. Everything's doing this exact thing right here, and everything's starting to get these little pumps up to resistance at whatever level that's going to be. So ICP is starting to move now, so it's probably going to have a nice spike up to get it over and hold support, like we've seen a lot of things. So not financial advice, but if I had the money, these things that are still dead in the dirt, I'd be putting money on them right now. I can't believe I missed XCN. I really thought that one was going to wait, but I appreciate the 2. Alien Base. The last time I looked at it, it was bullish. Oh yeah, she's breaking out here. So you said, right? Alien Base? Yeah, Alien Base is good. Been telling you guys that it was bullish in this pattern over the 1618 at 30, and she's moving now. If we wanted to go to a smaller time frame and look at it, yeah, it's over the 786 now at 42. It looks like it's heading up to the next big resistance level. Another 68% to 73, the next stop. But yeah, it looks good here. Welcome to the horde. Het, the new member. I appreciate that. Trying to get the membership built up, but a lot of the gifted ones that have been gifted over time, they're not coming back. Daxton, how's it going? Algo prediction. Sub Universal Codes, Sam, Sunny Boy, Old Velo, not Velodrome. Ooh. Yeah, making sure I didn't miss anything. What's up, Shadow? I'm doing okay. Kryptonite is about to do some numbers. SEI is about to go parabolic. Is it? What's up, Muffin Man? Filecoin. Yeah, I'm trying to catch what you guys are saying here. I guess we're gonna do File and what do you say? Damn, I forgot. File and Old Velo. Velo protocol. If I can find my chart. There we go. Yeah, Velo's not looking bad here. Little curl up, double bottom with a higher low. Once you get over 2.5, you're officially bullish. And then we go on the smaller one here. Yeah, you just peeked your head over the 618, so you need to stay over 17. Stay over 17, 21, 7 is the next price to beat, and then it'll start moving up. But if it stays over this, it's probably going to send the price up and hopefully over the 382, but it looks good here. It just needs to keep this momentum. It needs to break this high here, which if this is a double bottom W pattern with a higher low, once you break this, it'll start flying. But yeah, it looks good here. Anytime you see that curl up that we see on everything laying down and then the curl up, even this here, very bullish setup for Velo, however you say this. I'm not even sure. Velo to a 618 retracement up to 19, 1.4 billion market cap's a 10x, 11x really. And then a 786 retracement is a 6 billion market cap on this thing, about a 45x. But it's not in a bad spot here. If it breaks this high here, then you're good. But if you can't break this and you pull back and you're making lower highs, and you may come drop all the way back down. But the curl up looks good here, and it's also holding the uptrend clearly. Get the idea. Yeah, it looks good. What else did we say? Saul Goodman for 5 memberships. I appreciate that. Got 5 more members, so whoever's not a member here is going to get a membership. I appreciate that. Saul for the win. I appreciate that, my man. Finally got 30 people in here. Oh, we got 26 of them on YouTube. Let's go. Let's see. What did you say? Velo, and then, oh yeah, Filecoin, someone said. But yeah, I appreciate the memberships given out there. We were up in the high 70s, and then like 20 people didn't renew, so we're back down. File. I don't know the last time I looked at Filecoin. File. Let's see what charts we have here for File. Let's move that. Yeah, it looks like the rest of the market here. This same exact setup. This was XCN, this is SUKU, math, this here, with the wick down, and then the curl up, and then now they're taking off. So we missed Filecoin. Filecoin to the moon. Damn, marker. But yeah, Filecoin here. She's moving. High to the low here. You're over the 302. So as long as you're over 492, you're bullish. Price to beat is 580.81. You get over 581 and then get over the 236. The bottom is in. You're over the 618. This downwards move is officially over, and the bottom is officially in over 714 here. And it looks like this one, yeah, if you get up to the 382, there will be heavy resistance because of the trend here, and of course the 382. So we may have this thing, copy a lot of other things. What was it? Polyswarm and stuff. They came all the way up, hit the trend, hit resistance, so 150% move, and then it had a pullback. Could be the case here for file, but it bottomed out and it's curling up. Did any of you guys actually buy into these coins down here that we've been covering for forever now? Last 3 or 4, 5, 6 months? I guess it's been a couple of months. One by one, we're watching them go. 618 on this one to 41 is a 23 billion market cap and a 7.5x on Filecoin. I don't know where the market's going to take this one. 48 billion market cap to about $90 to the 786 retracement in a bull market. So those seem to be fair targets. So the Filecoin is going to go to a new high. It's going to go all the way to $800 and do 150x. No idea what the market cap would be. I guess pretty much times this one by 7. That's probably not happening on Filecoin. Yeah, I appreciate that. Wait, let me make sure I got all the super chats. I got 7 already. All right, we're caught up on that end. What's up, Happy Yeeman? He bought PNG. Yeah, PNG's just not doing anything. What's up, Yosef? FIDA. What is FIDA? I don't know what that is. Is that a meme coin? Yeah. Yeah, but Filecoin, now that it woke up here from this little bed formation, it's bullish now. FIDA, I don't have any idea what FIDA is. Yeah, someone keeps asking for LCX. What is LCX doing? The LCX put the bottom in. I said this a little while back. What chart were we going with? No, LCX did it. She accomplished the goal, the mission. We can be proud of LCX again. It got above 14.15 here. It's at 16. That's what I'm talking about. That was the price we've been going over for a long time now. It needs to get back over 14.15. So now that you're over 14, over the 0.5, you need to get over the 618 at 20. You need to break this high here. You need to break this market structure, this bear structure that it has in play. But it did. As I've been pointing out, low to the high, it came down, hit the 618, did what it needed to do after the breakdown, and now it could move up finally. High to the low here, you're over the 3.2 and just below the 0.5. So 17 and then up to 20.5 here, your price is to beat. But good step in the right direction for LCX. But we've kind of been mentioning that was the price to beat, and it needs to continue the momentum here. But the momentum's going vertical right now. See that on the stock RSI, just got above 50. So as of right now, she looks good. And then LCX, where's it going to end up? No idea. 1 billion market cap, $1.60, 9.5x, 3 billion, 3.6 billion is going to be a 15x to 250. And then a 4.5 billion market cap to 480, we'll say 28.5x on this thing. But yeah, now you're back above the macro area here. It's in good shape. Yeah, I saw Mavia was moving. Sub no whack. Yeah, we looked at Alien Base. It looks really good right now. It just sucks because we've been watching these things in the dirt and watching these things in the bullish patterns, and now they're starting to go. Yeah, I'll look at FIDA, my man, but I don't know what that is. Let's see. Let me see if I can find whatever the heck FIDA is. This? I don't know what this is. All right, let me pull up the market cap for this thing. Time to build a new chart, I guess. Is it FIDA Solana name service? Is that what it is? It rebranded to Solana name service. Unless I'm looking at the wrong one. What are we at? 23. All right. So Solana name service, $122 million market cap, over 50% of the coins in circulation. Not bad. So let's go ahead and build this chart up real quick. Let me see. Let me look at the coin, the crypto chart real quick before I start doing that. Where is it? Oh, this thing's on Coinbase. Let's see this one. Damn it. All right, we'll use this chart just because it has more history. All right, but it has the same exact wick on there, that large wick. So we'll just go with it. We'll run with it. Taking up too much time here. Not the best looking respecter of the chart, I would have to say. We'll just roll with it. All right, high to the low. Bottom is confirmed in over 50 cents here. We'll do the market caps in just a moment. High to the low here, or low to the high. Oh yeah, it came down perfectly. 786 support, last support level at 20, and it's stuck below the 618 at 26.4. So once you get over 26.4, you may be in business here. But like I said, it doesn't look exactly like the rest of the stuff here. Maybe here, and then it curled up and pulled back, but it held support. So see if this thing can give it another try. Not too bad. I mean, the move down, the move up, and now the move down again. Slightly higher low. That's what you want to see to be bullish here. So it could be a good play here. Low to the high or high to the low. Yeah, it needs to get over 247, and it's going to confirm the bottom again, and then bullish over 30. Now, as for how high can it go, some kind of multipliers this thing has. A 382 up to $1.09 is a 4.5, over a 4.5x. 8.5x to $2. Some good price targets here. $1, $2. Let's see here. All right, so if this thing goes to $2, market cap's 122 million. What would that be? A billion market cap? Oh, hold on. Yeah, I guess not a bad play here. But is it only going to do a 0.5 retracement is the question. Because from 100 million market cap, it's easily doable to get to a billion market cap in a bull market. I get this. And then 618 retracement is a 16.5x to 386 potentially. Yeah, I got too many tabs open here now. Yeah, what am I missing here? Charlie for 2 again. I appreciate that. Does DGen look like it will move anytime soon? We'll go look at it in just a moment. I appreciate the 2 again. DGen. If it's still holding up where it was, then I would say yeah, but we'll look at it. All right, let me clear my stuff out here on my computer before we get overloaded. What are we looking at here? All right, let me move. Yeah. All right, so yeah, this Solana name service, FIDA, could potentially be a good play. It's got some good multipliers here. 2 billion market cap, 618. That's 16.5x. Don't know if it's going to go higher than that. Be a 40x to the 786 at 950. I don't know what the talk of the town is on this one. All right. So he said, DGen, I appreciate the 2. Everyone is talking about Dash again for some reason. Do you know why? No idea. Probably because the old coins are pumping. All the old ones started moving. We got Hood Rich. How's it going? Welcome back from 2. Says, any thoughts does on Slap Weath? Any thoughts does on Slap Weath? Cat Slap. Is that a meme coin? Just answer me. Is it a meme coin or not? And what is it on? I don't know what you're trying to say. But yeah, DGen is still sitting above the 618. It just cooled off. Yeah, nothing's changed on it. It's still sitting on the 618 perfectly. As long as you're above this 17.8, you're holding. But it's holding up very strongly here, so there's really nothing to say about it. It's making higher highs and higher lows. It's curled up on the macro. As long as you're over that price, you are good here. Yeah, start running again. She's going to do a 9x up to 16, new high, and then higher than that. Cat Slap, he says. Oh, slap on Uniswap. Slap on Uniswap. No, I don't think it would be on here, would it? Cat Slap, Uniswap. This thing? Come on now. Is that what you're talking about? Hold on. Damn. Cat slap. Yeah, it's on deck screener too. Was it 5.5? All right, yeah, it's the same exact chart, so we'll just keep it here. I appreciate the 2. We're gonna look at it here. There's really nothing I can do with it. It's just going vertical. We can do low to the high here. Yeah, you're sitting right over the 236, 382, perfect bounce, so that's good to see. So you're bullish here over 5.0. Once you break over 7.0, I would like to tell you where it's going, but there's nothing I can draw here. I guess I could go down. So just remember those prices. It had a good little bounce. And then we're probably just going to have to go from where it is now. All right, so this high to the low, you're right. Yeah, you're above the 618. So as long as you're above 5.5, 609, 6.1 is the price to beat. And then once you break over that 7.0, the next potential stop on this one is a 45% move to 8. But like I said, it's going straight up right now. And it still looks bullish on the shorter time frame. So yeah, it looks good right now. Sunny Boy for 5. I appreciate that. VAR on Coinbase and NXRA. I appreciate the 5. What's up, Aaron? Yeah, I just did an XCN update on the channel. XCN's breaking out. It looks good. She woke up. What is VAR doing? Did VAR finally get over? VARA. VARA's still in the same spot, and she's pulling back. We'll do what we can here. I've been wanting VARA to get over 3 here. The macro 236 to confirm this is the bottom. But every time we think she's curling up, she breaks down. So the only thing we can do on VAR right now, because we don't know if it's going to come back and make another low. Low to the high on VARA. Yeah, you're down below the 0.5 now, so 2.1 is it. If you fall lower than 2.1, then she's probably just going to keep going down. You're at 2.3, so 2.17 is the price to hold. 2.4 to get back over, back to being bullish over 2.68. But it remains to be seen what VAR is going to end up doing. But if this is the bottom, so be it. Like I said, it has to be confirmed over this, but it got stuck instantly. And what'd you say, NXRA? And surprised we don't have a chart for this one. I've heard of this one before, but I guess we don't have a chart. It's going sideways. It looks like it's in a complete... Wait, maybe we have this one on the other one, because I could have swore we looked at this. Nope. An XRA. triple bottom and a triple top. It's completely in a channel here. I don't know why does that look crooked to me. Yeah, it's just trading in a channel at the moment. It just hit the middle again. But it could be a triple bottom. It looks like the bottom's in. But we'll go ahead and draw this up since you paid me to do it. High to the wick low. You need to get over 3.7 here to confirm the bottom. And you need to stay over it. And then bullish over 5.5. And then from the bottom here, you're right at the 3.2, bounced on the 0.5 perfectly. So you need to get over 3.45 to be bullish short term here. And that'll probably push the price back up 3.7 here. But one concerning thing is, if we just move this out of the way for a moment, you are making slightly lower lows and you are making lower highs. So until that is broken, you can't be that bullish on this one yet. But it does appear, if you just look at the whole picture, it looks like it's going sideways. It's getting accumulated and the bottom is in. That's what I would most likely say, that it's going to start moving up at some point. And then with that being said, I know this slows us down when we have to build charts. Let's just see. All right, so if this one goes to a new high, we have 17x up to 60 cents. Let's see here. How many people we got in here? We got 38 people in here, but yeah, I appreciate the 5. Everyone hit the like button, please. It's going to help the algorithm out. Chris says ties breaking out. Yeah, we looked at that one. Slowly, everything's starting to move. All right, let me finish building this chart real quick. So if this thing goes to, what do we say, 60 cents? Let me see, 60 cents. At a $26 million market cap on NXRA here. Alliance Block has rebranded to NXRA. Okay. That's a question I have. Why do they rebrand? Oh, they got all the coins out. That is good. Almost all the coins out. So that's always bullish. All right, so if this one goes to 60 cents, let's see, what is the circulating supply? From the $26 million market cap it's at right now, we put it pretty much at $500 million. So we'll go ahead and write this down. Hold on. All right, I had to adjust the microphone. All right, so this one here, potential 17.5x to $500 million market cap would be it. Other than that, it's just a little 4.5x to the 786 at 16. But hopefully that helped a little bit. Let me see here. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Charlie again for 2 says, can we look at Barrio, please? As long as you keep paying me, we'll just keep looking at everything, I guess. Barrio, did it move? Oh yeah, whatever happened to Flip? But yeah, I appreciate that again. I gotta share the screen. All right, yeah, but here's Slapcat again. 50 million market cap, Slapcat, it's going to the moon. Based Mario, that's it, ain't it? Did it move up since the last time we looked at it? It must have, huh? She came up to the high and got stuck. Made a higher high though, so that's good. It's been making the curl up here. But right now it looks like it's pulling back. It hit the high, got stuck. And we just go from the bottom here. Yeah, it lines up perfectly. So it does appear that this one is dropping back down, which is natural until it goes to the moon. So it's going to drop 19-20% here, unless it turns around and continues to run here. Then if it does that and it breaks through the high with a candle at 17, next stop is 2.9 for a 93% move. But it may just end up dropping and then going back up. But yeah, had a huge spike up, I guess, from the last time we looked at it, so that's good. What's up, Alfredo Tass? I can't say your whole name. I don't know what that is. Sins censored AI is a gate exchange. Is that the ticker? Sins, Alfredo, can we look at Swell? Swell. Yeah, let's get this back over. Let's see here. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what Sins is. That's another one we're going to have to build a chart on if I find it. Censored AI, this one on Gate.io. What the heck? Is this the right one? I've never seen that before. What the hell's going on there? What is this? Maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, I appreciate the two again, Charlie. I appreciate you being here. But yeah, I don't know what I'm looking for here. All my microcaps in my portfolio pumped today. Casper coin. What's up, Slava? He says, stop being sick. Stop being sick, he says. Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking at here. Let me see if it's on Deck Screener. Send censored AI on Binance. Oh, this thing only has $30 of liquidity. Well, it's on Pancake Swap. $24 of liquidity. It's really at 10.064. Is that what we have? Holy crap. Yeah, this thing has no liquidity at all. Yeah, I can't do anything with this piece of crap. Let's see here. Jack says CTX breakout imminent. Could be. I just went over SUKU and math, and I can't remember which one, but all those ones that look like XCN, they're about to wake up and go. Rug pull, yeah. How's my day so far? My day's all right. I had a good day yesterday. I got to see my son. That's why I didn't live stream yesterday. Spent the day with him. But yeah, I'm trying to get over the cough. We'll see what happens. What's up, Manny? XCN looks like it woken up from the dead. Hopefully a 50 to 100x will be lovely. Yes, it would. But it didn't wait for me, though. I wanted to buy it down there. All right, so we're going to hold on. You know what? Let me mute every time I cough. There we go. All right. All right, we'll stop looking at this weird coin. I don't know what's going on with that. Is that like bots trading it at the bottom there, just up and down? But yeah, these Coinbase coins that we've been looking at on the channel here forever, they're slowly waking up, and over the last couple of months, we've been watching them lay here in this little formation, and now they're starting to go. Yeah, as soon as CTX breaks over our green line here, it will start spiking up. Which, like I keep saying, we keep saying, seeing things do this, so why would they not? Yeah, you're over the 236 on the macro and the smaller one here. You're getting stuck at this line here, which I'm not sure why that is on the chart, but it is acting as resistance. I wish I could remember, but once you get over that, what is that? 250? Break over 250 and then 280, she's bullish. But it'll probably have a little green candle spawn in and just blow right through both of those levels. But yeah, Coinbase coin in this formation here, it's about to go. Yeah, it would be nice right now to put some money on CTX, SUKU, math, and just go hunt down all the Coinbase coins that have that formation there. But yeah, CTX. We got Istaphobic for 2. I appreciate that. Can you look at Mudang? Just hanging at my entry. Mudang. Yeah, I wonder if they ever got a chart for that. But yeah, we have that over on Dex Screener. Because I know they put that on Crypto.com. So what do you guys think about the Chill Guy coin? That's on Crypto.com now too. Are we going to be talking about Chill Guy in a week or two? How it's going to the moon? And we never bought it. Wait, I'm doing the wrong thing. Wrong screen. Let's see what you say. Oh yeah, Mudang. Ooh, I gotta lift my computer up, my laptop up for a moment. It's got the desk hot. It's real hot. What am I looking for? My screen froze for a minute. That's why I had to move my computer. I didn't know what was happening. Mudang. Yeah, this thing went to the moon not too long ago. Let's get that out of the way. Jeez. All right, so the overall chart looks good here. Higher highs, higher lows. Let's pull this over. Where'd you get in at? Hopefully before it went to the moon. Oh, you got in right here. It's not in a bad spot. The high to the low, it just simply came back and back tested the high. Did it here, bounced up, back testing once again. So as long as you're over 3.3, you may get a bounce up, which it looks like it's going up right now. But if it keeps, or it holds there, which it looks good right now, wrong tool, then you should get a bounce right back up. 37% and 5.3 is the price to beat. And if you get through 5.3, if it's going to repeat itself here, which it's making, like I said, the higher highs and higher lows, the next high would be 148% move to 94.5. Could very well be the case. Every pullback it pulls up, pull back up, pull back up. Yeah, it's not in a bad spot here. Yeah, it needs to get over 40 and then 45, and then you're bullish. Hold on. We got Charlie for 5. Charlie again. Some DGen plays. Can we look at Goat with Hat and Le Blue Elephant, please? Elephant. I've never heard of those. What are they on? Are those on Solana? Yeah, just answer me that, and then let me go look. But yeah, I appreciate the 5 there. Casper Labs. We looked at this since not too long ago. You said you put 50K in this thing? Why does our chart look like this? Yeah, I don't understand why that's there. Or why that was moved. Makes no sense. Maybe we have a different chart. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, where did you put 50K in at? Where it is now? All right, he says base. Yeah, I got you, my man. I'm going to be right back over there. Let's see here. All right, so this one here, I don't know how the whole chart got moved. I think that's the right market cap. Could be wrong. What are we doing with Casper Labs chart? There's got to be a better chart out there. I don't like that one at all. Well, if that was the bottom on Casper Labs, I guess all the charts have this large wick on it. All right, we'll just have to take it step at a time. All right, so this thing, if it bottomed out here, it is moving. High to the low, came up and got stuck at the 618, but you're still above the 382 at 14. But if it holds over 14, it should move right back up. I don't like the chart at all. Over 5.7, and the bottom is going to be in. But the fact that it made a new low is, you can see that if we were to draw on it back here, you were holding the low and then it broke the low and now it just smacked right back into the low and it's pulling back again. So I don't know what to say on this one. It needs to get back over 2.2 here. That would be the big price to watch before we get into any kind of market caps or anything on this one here. It just made a new low, not a good look, and it got stuck right back at it. All right, if we do this, low to the wick high where it got stuck, you're over the 382. So 15.5 here, you're bullish, but you have to push back through the previous high at 2.2 here. 1.9 and then 2.2, and then you're in good shape. But yeah, I don't like this chart in one bit. Mudang has a BitGet and a OKX. Okay. Yeah, I need to make updates for the channel on Mudang and some of those other meme coins, so I'll probably build some charts up. Damn, I almost invited everyone. Oh yeah, you said on base. What am I doing? Okay, let's go look at these real quick on base. Let me get the right screen up here. I got too many tabs open. I got to take off CoinGecko. It's clogging up the stream and it's clogging up my computer. But yeah, Mudang it's in a good spot right now. If it keeps up the structure, not bad. All right, so some DGen plays for Charlie. Says goat with hat on base and La Blue. Let's see if we can find these gamble coins. Goat with hat. I'd imagine it's this one. Gamble plays on base. Let's see here. Had that initial run. It's making higher highs and higher lows. And it came down back to the 382 after it blew through it to back test. All right, so it looks good as long as you're, dang it. Yeah, I hate having to do this on this. As long as you're over 226 here, you're still bullish after that pullback. And off of the wick here, that could be it. This could be a good gamble move up. It's got the curl up here. But as long as you're over that, you can clearly see it got stuck perfectly at the 786 here. So once you break over 776 there, we'll draw a candle on here. So next time we look at it, you're spawned into the moon. So the gamble on this one is a 12x to the new high at 0034. Where potential off of that pullback there and that support level could have been it. Oh, excuse me. I'm getting sick again here. It's all over. And then La Blue. Let's see. How do you spell that? Did I spell that right? ELEU Elephants. This one. Where you find these gamble plays at? Oh, this one looks the exact same. Had a huge run up. Jeez. But yeah, this one pulled back also. Let's see if it's in the same type of a spot. This one's dropping hard right now. Hold on, let me see something. Yeah. All right, we got Hoshi for 5. I appreciate the 5. He says, "Can you do XCN?" Yes, we can. Just give me a moment. $0.23 low market cap. He's listing on big exchanges. That's the reason I bought it. All time high was $1. Yeah, you just got to take into account the chart here. I know you can't see it, but the chart, I'm looking at it again, Casper. I just don't like that it made a new low. But if it gets back above those levels, then, you know, it's something to maybe talk about. But to get back to $1, that's not going to happen. There's no way. What is it at 1.6? It's at a penny and a half. I know you guys can't see this, but I'm just going over it in my head. Just for this thing to get back to 14 cents from where it is right now is an 800x. Oh, $14, I mean. Oh, you said $1? I don't know. Too many chats going on here. Maybe I'm missing something. I'm gonna have to find a better chart, and I'll do a video on Casper just now because I'm interested in it. All right, looking at the blue elephant here, that's going to 0. What did I just do? All right, so blue here. High to the low on blue. Just back down to 618, coming up on the 0.5 at 6.1. No idea how hard this one's going to drop. It has a huge wick here and it's coming down. So if you're looking to buy on this one, just kind of wait. It could very well, because you see the resistance at the 382 here, and then it blew through it. It very well could be headed back down to that level there. So you may want to wait, and this one's going to drop 48% and then get a bounce. And then for this one to gamble, new high, which it almost reached. From where you are right now is about a 10.5x, and if it does come down to the 3.2, 20x, over 20x on this thing. Could be a good gamble if it hits this 3.2 once again at 3.9. But it could very well hold here too, if it wants to. 6-1 and then 3-9. Oh yeah, Hoshi said XCN. XCN. Let's see here. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to look better into this one because you said the all-time. I think you're talking about Casper. Yeah. All right, let's move on from this. Yeah, XCN woke up. I was hoping it would stay down there in the dirt, wait for me, but it decided to move. Yeah, that same formation here did nothing, and now it's going. Did it break already? Yeah, it looks like it made a higher high. It just broke that wick high. But, damn. You're over the 382, high to the low at 0017. She's moving. If it repeats or not repeats, if it does like some of the other things we saw do, it may be gunning for the resistance here at the trend line and the macro 382. So this one could do a 3x from here. 200% move, 3x your money from where it is right now. That'd be nice. And then get stuck at the 382 and then pull back. But you're bullish over 17. Once you get over the 0.5 at 2.1, and then the 618 is right on the 236 here. So once you get over that, bottom is in, and this downwards move is officially over that 236, and then you can move up to the 382. But yeah, XCN doesn't look bad at the moment. I can't believe it's moving. That's sad. But for whoever's holding it, congratulations. It's going to start moving up. Hopefully you get that run up here. But XCN has a lot of good targets from where it is today. Of course, we know the 382 is a 3x, but in the bull market, it's probably going to hit all these prices here. 1 penny, 5.5, almost a 6x. If it hits 2 pennies, a 618 retracement is an 11x, over an 11x. And then if it's going to hit a $1.7 billion market cap to 5.5 pennies, that's a 29x. And then, of course, we know the moonshot, 437x to a 27 billion market cap, new high 1272 at 88. If you believe it's going to accomplish that, but that's a very, very large move. I like these targets here, a penny and 2 pennies. But yeah, I appreciate the 5 XCN. Hopefully you're holding XCN. She finally woke up. She's part of the undead now. We got, what happened? We got Samuel for 2. I appreciate that. SUKU is ready to fly. Let's look. I appreciate the 2. He said, let's look. Yeah, SUKU is about to go. I actually made an update on it this morning, or today. Damn it. Yeah, this is what we've been talking about, and I keep saying it. Excuse me again, damn. It's up 15%. It's starting to curl up here at the end. So once you break over 8.3 here, it's too late. Not as good as XCN, I would say. It could go higher, but you can see if it's going to come up here and hit the 382 in the trend, then we may get a nice move on SUKU very soon of almost 100%. Not bad. And then there's going to hit heavy resistance there. But yeah, perfect opportunity here. It's about to spike up because we saw NCT do this, XCN's doing it, and whatever else is out there. I can't remember. They've all done the same thing. All the Coinbase plays. But yeah, if I could buy it on SUKU, I'd put money on it right now. But yeah, I appreciate the 2. If it goes to 10 cents, I'm happy. Okay. Yeah, just keep an eye on those levels. If it gets back over that previous bottom, then you're in good shape. Got Samuel again for 2. I thought that was the same one. Polygon Moon. Let's look. Even with the let's look. Polygon. I haven't looked at Matic in forever. Unless we looked at it on a live stream and I don't remember. Matic. Yeah, someone said Dash earlier. So are these all these old coins waking up and about to go? They're going to pull an XRP and a Stellar Lumens and all these coins and have these huge moves up where they go vertical. Yeah, this one just broke this high here. V recovery bounce like it did back here. She's above the 236, so the bottom is in. What do you guys think? Are NFTs ever going to come back? I would really like to sell my NFTs that I have in my wallet. I think they're on my Coinbase wallet. Just a bunch of random NFTs, airdrops, and they're just sitting there, pointless. But yeah, high to the low. We broke the downtrend. You're bullish here. You're over the macro 236, 382. You're short-term bullish. The bottom is in. You need to get over 61, and then the 382 at 69, macro bullish, and confirmed a move up at that point, over 70. But yeah, it looks good right now. Matic is bullish at the moment. No idea if she's going to have a huge spike up like those other coins did. But a new high on Matic, 554 potentially. I don't know if this is the best chart we have. $55, that would be a 13x. Let's see here. Oh, I already closed it out. But Matic is an older coin, so I don't know why I typed that in. Well, you keep saying this over and over again. These old coins, even XRP, Dogecoin, Stellar Lumens, ADA, all these old coins are already moving a little bit, but they're probably only all going to do 5 to 10x's maybe. Not all of them. I saw someone saying XRP is going to $30. I'm like, really? XRP to $30. But yeah. Yeah, I don't understand that either. So Matic's at a 1.3 billion market cap almost. Yeah, and where do these coin geckos and coin market caps get their information from? All-time high 3 years ago on Matic was 292. All right, that's, I guess, about right. They're counting this high back here. We're at 294. Not a huge difference. All right, so for Matic to make it to 550, we'll just keep it that dang simple. Where's it at? All right, at least I know now. So a 10x on Polygon, 12.3 billion market cap, new high at about 550. And that pretty much is in line with, the 5 to 10x's on the old dinosaur coins here. And I got way too many tabs open. Let's get back over to the chat. What's up, Decrypto? Yeah, I don't think anyone gets alerts. It waits till we get over 2 hours in and then people show up. Sell useless NFT and buy silver coins. Yeah, but they're worthless now. You can't even really sell them. $100 poly. What's up, Hugo? He says Caspa. What's up, April? Jack, QNT, XLM. But yeah, I appreciate the two. In your opinion, XRP 19 to 20 a high probability? You talking about price wise? Damn it. All right, I'm back. Had to cough. Stormtrooper says Nacho is cooking. I don't know what that means. Polygon to $100 for a 200x. Yeah, Caspa still looks good here. I still remember a couple weeks ago when we called the bottom on it. Yeah, I was checking my phone. But yeah, Caspa. I saw someone say Caspa. Let's see here. Yeah, she's holding over the 0.5, stuck right at the 618. at 15.8 here. Once you get over 15.8, this downwards move here is officially over, and we can move up. But I said this back here, the bottom was in, and she's going for a new high, because every time it comes down here on the macro, it makes a new higher low, which it made a slightly lower low than this low back here, but we're not going to pick at it. The overall chart looks extremely well. It's just been going sideways forever. But if we get over this level here, she's probably going to come up here and make a slightly higher high above 20, 21, or it's going to hit the 1272 at 25 here. And then I don't know, Caspa, some people say $1 for Caspa, but then I see a lot of people say $5. $5 will be $125 billion market cap. It needs to get listed on exchanges, don't get me wrong, I know that, which it will. But if you go by the smaller fib here, maybe $2 would be a 50 billion market cap. And that would give you a 14.5x, or if it's going to $5, she's going to do about a 33x. AC is getting stuck. QNT is getting stuck. QNT is another one I wanted to buy down here. I don't know. I had so much confidence that the bottom was in after I looked at the monthly chart here on QNT, and that appears to be the case. Once we get over this red box here, you're bullish and you're good to go. And over 140 on QNT, she's really good to go. I think that's the price to beat. But yeah, QNT, if it's going to hit $2,000 plus, 2,200 here, 27.5 billion market cap. It's a 23x, $1,300, 23.4 billion market cap is a 14x, and then the new high is about a 10x, up to a 12.8 billion market cap to almost $1,000, 960 there. But yeah, I think the macro bottom has finally been put in. We can clearly see that here. I don't think it's going to come back down. It may come back down to this level, but QNT, someone in here says they own like 20 or 50 QNT. I don't remember who it was. Oh yeah, Zcash and Dash. All these older coins are probably going to start moving. What's up, Angie? Pepe sucks. XRP topped. Take a look at Pepe. I think it's I'm gonna cash out for a $500 loss and throw it at SUKU. Pepe, what's up, Mispa? Yeah, did you buy Spell at the bottom? Yeah, I wanted to buy Spell at the bottom, but it just didn't happen. Solana doesn't look bad on the monthly. The more you zoom out, the better things look. When you zoom into the smaller time frames, that's when you get sad. Yeah, you said Dash and Zcash. I haven't looked at those in forever. Pepe, I'm looking for Pepe. Pepe was trying, let me see if it still is. It was trying to hold a bullish pattern here, which it still is, but it's coming down. Depending on where you want to draw and what time frame, it still looks okay here. If you're looking simply at this chart here, it looks like you're in a bullish pattern and just out in the middle of nowhere. Let's see. Yeah, it's holding right up over the 236. So as long as you're over 19.4, you're at 19.9. This thing is still bullish. And then if you pull it to this here, you still kind of have the pattern. And you can even probably say this is bull flag falling wedge type of a pattern forming. But it is bullish over that level, and it's got some sort of bullish continuation going on here, depending on the time frame you look at it, that it's holding up. But you do what's best for you. I have no idea what to say. If I had a gun to my head and someone told me I had to buy Pepe, where it is now, maybe going to be bullish. Strong move up in a bullish pattern. They're always bullish here, and then it's going to move up again. Or SUKU that's still in the dirt, hasn't ran yet, and we've seen a lot of things run, so it's probably going to run. Oh, damn, look at the measured move on this. Oh, no. Hopium. Takes you right up to the 25,2272. The 3x. Jesus. That's all depends on it, how the market goes and if it holds up in the pattern. I would probably buy SUKU at the bottom, just because it has nowhere else to go down to. When this potentially could break down and come down. That's my logic, but that is not financial advice. I just turned bullish on Pepe. Pepe. All right, so let me take that off the screen so we can see. We still only got 30 people in here. Marvin Inu, you guys remember that one? Zcash, I don't have a chart probably that's any good. Yeah, this chart is like 10 years old. Is this on Coinbase? Aren't all these old tokens on Coinbase? 2021 high to the low. Got stuck right at the 382. But it's curled up here. Once you break over 52, she's officially bullish. But yeah, not a bad curl up. Damn, I just took it off too, and you guys want me to do market caps again. Damn, that's not what I wanted. Come on. Yeah, as long as you're over 42, you're still bullish here. It looks good. So as soon as you punch through and hold 52 here, you're good to go. But Zcash, let's see where it's going. We don't even have to get the market caps out or look at anything. It's already heavy. Yeah. Just to get back to the 2021 high, it's 7.5x, 17x up to $800. But for an older coin, I don't think it's going to do a 17x. I don't know the market cap. Let me look. Privacy coins trending again. Oh. Is that what they are? I honestly didn't think anyone would be talking about Zcash or Dash this bull market. Okay, not bad. 770 million market cap with 72% in circulation. Only 21 million coins. God, it's so hot in here. All right, let me just see real quick. You guys hear the music okay, huh? Let's see here. What's the price target for Zcash, you guys think? I have no idea. 2.8 billion market cap. If it hits up here, is a 3.5x, almost a 4x kind of, depending on if it wicks above or whatever it does. Let's see. I mean, you never know what's going to happen. Dash. I don't even want to look at the Dash chart. I don't even know how old this is. I haven't looked at Dash in so long. It made a new low. Damn it. Bottom is in. Damn, where are we going from on this thing? 2017. That's too much history. From the 2021 high to the low. Needs to get over 42 to be bullish, or bottom is in. It looks good here. The same formation on XCN, SUKU. So this is yet another thing whoever was asking about buying on SUKU. We're seeing this a lot. The little bed formation just dead, and then it wakes up. Man. But yeah, bullish over 67. The bottom is confirmed in on the macro over 42. Short term, stuck right at the 618, of course. 34, you have to get over 34, 37, 34, $35 here. Once you get over 35, confirm this move is over and you're going to start moving up. That'll send you back to 42 and potentially get you over 42. But it is looking bullish right now, but it has to get over that 618. That's where it's getting stuck at. And then Dash here, just a real quick, let's see. Some of these older coins may only do 3 to 5 to 6x's. I know I keep saying 5 to 10x's, but there's also, you know, these old ones. But you guys probably know better than I do. So a 7x on this one will take you up to 242. $242. Let's see here. Oh, whatever happened to Monero? You guys remember Monero? $400 million market cap on this one. What did it get to last cycle? About 11 billion. All right, 400 million market cap, 64% of the coins. Oh, it's got a small amount too, just like Dash. So if this one can get up to 242 bucks. How much did I say? All right, so it's in the same ballpark. It'll be 3 billion for a 7x. And then if it goes to a new high, It's a 33x almost to $1,000 on Dash. I haven't heard of these coins in so long. I have no idea what people are saying about them. As where you hear like XRP, $5, $30, $20, $100. 1.3K per Zcash coin. Okay. Decrypto. Hey bro, how much is your portfolio worth? 5 figs, 6 figs, 50 cents. $0.50. I have no portfolio. Yeah, that's what we just said. They do have a small max supply. So maybe they will do something. Only time will tell, I guess. RWAX on base, please. RWAX on base. Let's see here. Yeah, someone kept saying swell. Did swell continue to go down? Oh no, swell is going to 0. Why is this messed up? Wait, this has got to be the wrong chart. I know I have a better chart. There's nothing on here. How's that possible? Coinbase for swell. I think that is the chart. Let's spell. Oh yeah, someone said spell earlier. I misspell. Yep. Did we look at spell? I think we did. Spell's in a really good spot here. It woke up from the little bed and it's alive. Over 9.6. Bottom is in. But I don't know what happened to the swell chart. I guess this is it. Oh yeah, this is it. I don't know why we didn't have market caps on it. I don't know why it's not accurate. But it does appear to be curling up. Higher highs and higher lows. She's pumping right now. Damn it. Needs to get over 3.5 to be bullish. But like I said, it is curling up here. Once you get over 3.5, that presumably will send the price up. After you're being bullish over 3.7, macro bottom is confirmed in. Get a weekly candle over this, or not a weekly, a 4-hour candle that is. Then you can say the bottom is in here, which it looks like it formed a formation here to move up. And then bullish over 4.2 here. But essentially it's down at the bottom. And I don't know why we don't have a chart built up on swell. Oh, well maybe we do. Maybe it goes all the way to the top and that's what we're missing. Let's see here. Yeah. That's what we're missing. So swell from 3.5 pennies to $1. Just under $1 billion market cap. Coinbase coin is a 28x. So swell going to $1. Oh, let me flip this over before my computer burns up. Holy crap, it's hot. let me make sure. I didn't know I had 16 super chats. Did we cover all these? Yeah, okay, we did. Yeah, see, we're almost 2 hours in. Still no one here. Lazy Sunday. We remember Monero. McAfee got killed because of Monero was the most decentralized crypto. Is that why? As soon as McAfee said BTC is a scam. Ouch. Damn. Muse to the moon, Matthew says. Welcome back, Matthew. R wax on what? Let me see here. Let me back it up. Oh yeah, R wax on base. Let's see what we got going here. I think we looked at that, but I'm not sure. I'm having to hold my laptop up in the air because the bottom of it is like just burning hot. And you can clearly hear the fan moving. You can hear the fan running, it's loud. What am I looking for? R wax on base. This one here. Oh yeah, we did look at this one. R wax on base. Looking good here. It's sitting over the previous high support at 40. You're at 48. Broke over the high, and then now it's holding. And it looks like the same thing we just looked at. It moved up since the last time we looked at it. As long as you hold over 40, next stop up is 86 and an 80% move, 82% move almost. But yeah, not looking bad on this one. Hopefully you bought in at the bottom. Yeah, I would just simply watch the previous high there. As long as you're holding that, this thing's in real good shape. Muse has only 500,000 supply and 5 million market cap. What is Muse? Benjamin says D-Sci on base. D-Sci on base. It's going to melt your face. Which one? Oh, you said on base. Yeah, I don't know which one it is. Five days ago or 3 days ago it came out. But yeah, pretty much all the things we look at on here are good. This one's not it because it only has $8 of liquidity. I don't know what this is. You're retarded. Yeah, I need to answer because I don't know which one I'm looking at. I was trying to see if I can copy that address, but it won't let me. Oh, so it's a research coin? I don't mind looking at it. I just need to know the ticker. If it's research, they come up with some crazy names on some of this stuff. F7EL, is that what you said? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I know I need to get a cooling base. I need a whole new laptop, but that's gonna have to wait for the future. Yeah, we got it here. I got it. Not a bad chart. It's curling up here. Higher highs and higher lows. Doesn't appear it's really ran anywhere, so high to the low. Damn. I better not be getting sick again. High to the low, you smacked right into the 786 at 79.80 cents here. Just perfectly, all the candles. Just hit a brick wall, and now I pulled back. Ah, son of a good God. I just burnt the crap out of my finger. All right, so yeah, this one just hit this. Want to be something? My computer's gonna blow up in my face. End of the stream. It's all over. Oh man. But yeah, as long as you're above the 618 at 54. 54 is the price to hold. It did get a little pullback after the 76, but I would just keep it that simple. You need to break over 80 to continue moving here. It did have a decent move. It does have a wick, so it could pull back a little deeper. We'll see. 3.5x to the new high at 245. And then if we go from the low back there to the high, we'll see what we get here. If you go from there, it's the 236 at about 65. But if we pull it from the most little recent, if we were to go down to smaller time frames, yeah, you're holding over the 382 at 55. 55 and then 71, where you're at right now. 71.8. But you're still bullish here as long as you're above the 0.5 and the 382 here. 45 to 55. But yeah, like I said, it's a good chart. It's curled up there. And of course, it can always go way higher than the first target here. But it recently had a nice little run. Alex says, I'm coming from the future and P&G still hasn't pumped. I believe it. That's why I said when it does pump and the first resistance it's going to hit, you may have a lot of people getting out. I don't know. Damn, we only got 4 people left here on YouTube. 2 hours in, I think it's time to end this. I think we milked it for all we could. We looked at a lot. We did good. Yeah, ALGO is another one. ALGO, Spell, XCN, all these coins that I wanted to get in. I can't believe ALGO went to the moon. Like, not to the moon, but you get the idea. But yeah, ALGO was one of the ones that was right there on my list. I wanted to get in. Oh, I'm on the wrong, but I missed the boat. Where's my ALGO charts? Yeah, I can't believe she did this move here. But see, this is where XCN is right now. This is where SUKU's about to be. Woke up and just ran right to the 3-2. Right there. It's crazy. Yeah, she's stuck right now, but just keep it simple. You're above the 236, you're over 20. I hoped not to ever say that until I was in, because we just kept saying once you're over 20, the bottom is in. That is the wrong thing. And then low to the high. As long as you're over 24.5, you're still bullish here. Yeah, ALGO looks good here. It just needs to push through 33. And then ALGO to an 11 billion market cap to $1.30, 4.5. It's a 4.5x. And then ALGO to the moon, 59 billion market cap. It does have all the coins in circulation. And I like the chart, even though she already left. 25.5x to $7 if you think it's going to hit a 59-60 billion dollar market cap. But yeah, we've been saying that pretty much forever on ALGO. ALGO's going to have a good run this cycle, and it's started already. Now people are showing up. Daxton, what's up, man? I bought close to the bottom. Do you think you could hit $1 to $1.50? Yeah, I think so. That's one of the reasons I wanted to get in on it, because I can see it hitting these targets here. That's $1.35, and it'll probably go higher than that. So you're talking in the area of, yeah. Oh yeah. If I owned ALGO, I would take profit at the 786. Get my little 4.5x. And then let a moonbag ride to the new high here, or even a potential new high. If it got over if it did a 10x on my moonbag, I'd probably end up getting out. Girk says, "Jazz me, please." What's up, fireman? Things are good right now. Ooh. What's up, Dennis? Aurora moved pretty good. Big fan of the content. I appreciate that. Yeah, I just covered Aurora the other day on the channel. What was it doing? Let me guess. I don't even have to guess. It was in the formation. I hate these two separate charts. Let's see here. But yeah, Aurora's on Coinbase. Yeah, another one that woke up from the little pattern. That's why I said SUKU hasn't left yet. SUKU's in the same pattern here, where it's just flat down here holding and slightly curled up. SUKU's about to do this. XCN's doing it right now. Aurora's doing it now. All these low market caps on Coinbase is where the money's at right now, I guess. Jasmine. We got Matthew W for the super sticker. I appreciate that. $5 super sticker. Appreciate that, my man. Ooh. All right, he says Jasmine. I appreciate that sticker. What's another one that we look at? Oh yeah, CTX, SUKU, CTX. All those coins that are still down here and still flat. They're just about to wake up. What Ventus? Yeah, Ventus is in the same boat. Still hasn't ran yet. It still hasn't broke over this resistance here. AVT is another Coinbase play that's about to go. It's over the 2.3. It's right at the 2.36, the 2.30. Yeah. AVT is another one. Yeah, at this stage of the market, if I still had the money I had in January, I would definitely put, I don't know how much, but back when I had $8 grand in the market, I'd probably go put $5 grand on SUKU right now. I would have had some money in XCN because it's moving now. And all right, Jasmine, he says. Jasmine's on the other list. But yeah, I did an update on Jasmine. Dog's still holding up. Miria's in a downtrend. Oh, what is HFT? Hash flow's running. Yet another one. Bottomed out and is pumping now. Jupiter nano charts. Yeah, we're getting to Jasmine here. Mint layer doesn't look bad here. Maybe Bitcoin will push through 100K this week. Tomorrow's Monday. Oh no, ALGO's going to the moon. Off of the curl up. You're over the 618s, over the 236, 117. But yeah, off of the double bottom with the higher low, she's moving. Maybe you guys will get Ondo all the way up before they release tokens. Oh yeah, we just looked at ALGO. Just kind of going through some. AVAX looks good. Dogecoin stuck right at the 786. Dogecoin. I don't know why that was funny. I must be tired. Just the fact that these things smack right into the resistance levels, I don't know why I find it funny. Jasmine here. Another one. Broke the downtrend, back tested it, held the 236, smacked right into the 618, and now the 0.5 resistance at 2.6. And then 3 pennies. Once we get over 3 pennies, then it'll fly up to 5. And then it'll smack right into 5. At some point, we'll stop smacking into stuff and we'll go straight up. But we're not there yet. It's smack time right now. What was that show called? Smackdown? Everything's getting smacked back down. But yeah, those are your prices on Jasmine. And then once you get over the 382 at 5, you're officially bullish. Targets on Jasmine. Someone asked earlier in the stream, where would you take profit on Jasmine? 30 here. 618 retracement, 30.5 cents, 14 billion market cap. This would be the smart place to take your profit. There's no guarantee it's going to $1, even though I think it is. But from today, almost a 12x on your Jasmine bag. And then Jasmine to $1. I would hold a moon bag here. I would. But that's me. 50 billion market cap, $1 Jasmy, and then 42.5, 43x here. Jasmy to $1. How much is 100,000 Jasmy? I guess that's a lot, ain't it? Oh, 1 million Jasmy's 20 grand. $20 on Jasmy. Hold a 20 grand moon bag, 20K moon bag for $1 million. I don't think I can do that. Daxton, I appreciate you guys being here. Appreciate you, Matthew, Daxton, all you guys. Girk, Universal Codes. Wow, file just broke out. Yeah, someone said FET was moving now. I really like FET. Just to let you know, FET is moving. Man, everything's moving and breaking out. File just broke out, did it? Got damn. Life of Andre. Appreciate that. Welcome back. $2 ACH, please. Let's see. I like ACH too. I think ACH is going to 60 cents, but I would just hold a moon bag to it. H bar's over the 0.5. Shiba's about to run. I don't know if you guys caught the Shiba updates or the Shiba on the live streams we've been doing lately, but Shiba's in a bullish pattern like Pepe. Better than Pepe. Shiba looks like it's about to spike up out of here. Load of classics on the SmackDown show. Dogelon, jeez. Dogelon goes hard in either direction. They put the bottom in, and then they said no, and now it's coming back down. Adam, Cosmos smacked right into the 382. Litecoin smacked into the 382. What are we looking for? Yeah, Solana's right there, about to make a new high. I need to get in on some Solana coins before Solana breaks out. Like really breaks out. Because if Solana breaks out and starts running up here, then I would imagine the Solana meme coins will start moving. I need to get back into some of those coins. Yeah, we went over Q&T earlier. ACH, we'll see. Smacking into the 382 at the moment. You're right here, but we'll see if it gets stuck at 2.7. You're slightly above it, but you always got to remember they're not always perfect. But it's, if you just look at the chart, it's smacking right into resistance here. But if you can hold over this 276, 275 area, then you're officially bullish here after holding the structure, holding the same formation and pumping up. And if you do pull back, as long as you hold over 2.3, well, not 2.3, hold on, 2.4, you're still bullish here to push right back up. But we'll see if it holds here. A nice little curl up to smack right into resistance. But the big resistance is going to be if you do hold here and you get through. You can see, of course, the 0.5 and the trend here, the trend line. It's going to be resistance at 41 for about a 52% move. So just be aware of that when it gets up there. And then when it finally gets over that's when you're in a real good spot on ACH. Once you get back over this this trend line here and the 0.5, good shape at that point. Yeah, I don't know where people think ACH is going to. What do they say? I guess 12 cents, 786 retracement, but my target's the 4.8 billion, 60-cent range. You can see 62, 63 cents there. And from today now, where it pumped up a 22.5x. 786 now is about a 4x to that 11 to 12 cent range. And if it comes up and makes a slightly lower high around the 20-cent range, maybe an 8x. But I do like this. I like the new high on ACH here. No guarantee it's going to hit that though, but hopefully that helped a little bit. What did I miss? Yeah, all those low cap all those low cap coins on Coinbase they have the same exact formation and they're all moving now. So we got to catch them while they're still there, still dead in the ground. We got Charlie again for 2. I appreciate that again. Could we look at Elliot on base? Elliot on base. What's up, Julian? He says Polyswarm. Yeah, Polyswarm was one of the front runners on these little moves off of the bottom. I appreciate the 2, Charlie. Elliot on base. What did we look at earlier? What was it? He said something broke out after we looked at it. Oh, was that Filecoin? But yeah, I like FET. The AI powerhouse, FET coin. Oh yeah, I forgot about Flow. Oh, Flow did the same thing. All right, let me go over here to Deck Screener. Elliot on base, he says. Whatever happened to Drift? If we forgot about Drift. Remember Drift was going to the moon? Let's see, Elliot. All right, I'm going to have to pause this, or not pause it. Elliot on base. Oh yeah, we looked at this one, didn't we? Looks like it moved up and then a little bit back down since we looked at it, huh? Yeah. Did it smack right into that? Almost. So we'll move this up, move it over. Looks good. The whole chart is curled up here. Elliot didn't quite hit it, but it almost hit that 8-0 level. And like I said, it just looks good here. Depending on where we want to draw this from, I want to tighten it up. Yeah, if we do it there from that pullback to the high, just bounced off the 236, 382, now 236 at 426. If you can see that, I know it's tiny and the colors are off, but as long as you're over 426, nice little bounce. Price to beat is the high at 7.3, and then once you get over 7.3, and then of course the 2272 at 8.0, the next stop is 2618 at 2015. Almost a 200% move. Well, yeah, it is a 200% move from where you are right now. So we'll leave this here and let you spawn in a 3x candle, make you some money. But yeah, the overall chart, that one doesn't look bad either. It still looks bullish. Holding 160 million Pepe, says Schmabby. 160 million Pepe. Yeah, we looked at Pepe earlier. It looks kind of bullish. It looks like it wants to pump. It's holding up. Let me see here. Yeah, we just looked at Aurora. Like, what, 5 minutes ago or something. Aurora looks good. Same formation, pretty much, and she pumped. You're over the 382, stuck at 2.5. As long as you're over 17, the bottom is in, and you're confirmed bullish. And if you can get over 2.6 here, next big step in the right direction here. But yeah, just another Coinbase coin that's bullish right now. Pile into SUKU while you can. Not financial advice. You're just below the 236, but above the 382. So, I mean, without picking at it too much, you're above the double 382 here. If you can stay over 22, then you're in good shape. But it simply did like the rest of everything. It finally moved and it got stuck right at resistance. But it's a good first step in the right direction for all these coins. Aurora to a new high, 17.5x to a $2 billion market cap. But yeah, we've looked at all of these coins. Now we got people coming here asking for them. I appreciate it though. But yeah, Aurora is another good one on the low market cap on Coinbase that we've been kind of watching. Matthew says Sandbox. Sandbox. I forgot about Sandbox. How high can Polyswarm pump? Polyswarm, just because I like Polyswarm. It's still above the 382, so it looks good there. But how high can it go? Damn. But I like the target here for NCT. I like the first target here. New high at 46 cents for 867 million market cap for pretty much a 20x. That's where I would sell my Polyswarm. And if it goes higher, 75, 1.4 billion, but you get the idea. Once people catch on to Polyswarm, it'll have the potential to reach this new high here. But that's been my target for a while. Muse. What is Muse? Oh yeah, this is going to be an old chart unless we looked at it recently. Yeah, Muse held up over the 236. She's over the 382. Been going sideways forever here. Dude, is this correct? Steep downtrend and just broke out. As long as you're over 11, 19 is the price to be. Confirmed over 31 for moves up. But what is the market cap on Muse? Let's move this up to where we are today. Is it going to hit a 250 million market cap and do a 37x? Yeah, once you get over the 618 on this one's good to go. Oh, it's only 7 million. Okay. You can buy this one on Coinbase. We got 20 people in here. 11 on X. How's everyone doing over on X, even though we don't ever hear from you guys? So yeah, if Muse from a 7 million market cap, it's a big move for it. You see that takes it to 500 bucks. 786 to 65 bucks is going to be a 4.5x. So I don't know, where's Muse going? I don't know what it is. Comes up and makes a slightly lower high below 160, you'll get a 10x out of it. But if you think you can hit a 250 million market cap from a 7 million, not a bad run. It's like an 80x from down here. Okay. Yeah, same thing with Sandbox. I haven't looked at Sandbox in forever. Like forever. Yep, she's pumping. Once it breaks over this high here, it's going to go to the moon. All right, I'll do this in just a moment. I got to check my phone. I'll be back in a minute. It's got volume coming in. All right, just give me a moment. All right, I'm back. If PNG broke down trend, do you think PNG can 8% soon? 0.8% soon. I don't entirely know what that means. I mean, move 8%. But yeah, Sandbox's here is not looking bad at all. Should have bought it down in the formation. The perfect formation here we've been watching. But yeah, got her over the 236. So the bottom is in over 50, bullish over 86. But once you get over 86 to 382, you're going to, of course, break this high, and then you're in real good shape on Sandbox here. But as for Sandbox going, I have no idea where this thing's going to end up. A new high on this one to $23, $24 would be a 35x. Queen Gecko. Yeah, Sandbox was huge last cycle. Voice sounds like it's going out. $1.6 billion market cap on sand. Okay. 80% of the supply is out. $1.6 billion market cap. So that'd put it roughly at a $58 billion market cap. 58 billion market cap on Sandbox, if it can go that high. If not, 786 retracement, a decent 5.5, almost a 6x to 385. Is that what she's going to do since it's an older coin? Let me get back over to the chat. There's no YB. How's it going? Welcome to the end of the live stream. You think it might go high? PNG needs to move it basically 20% of my portfolio. Yeah, PNG's not doing anything right now. It's just sitting dead in the water. Billions of volume flowing in. I think she may go high. Okay. So who got the memberships today? We had 5 memberships given out earlier. I don't know who got them. thanks to Saul. Saul Goodman came in here and gave out 5 memberships. That was over an hour ago. Arc Block with a little move today. Yeah, there's a lot of things moving today, as we can clearly see. Oh, excuse me. It's just the big players aren't moving, so everyone's bearish still. The influencers and everyone in the world don't start screaming until Dogecoin, XRP, Bitcoin, all these coins start moving again. They all got stuck. But it seems to be all our little coins are starting to wake up. Like we went over earlier, SUKU, CTX. SUKU's about to wake up. ABT, you said ABT's moving. Let's see. Not really. It looks like it's a PNGer. It's just sitting here in the downtrend, doing nothing. Still holding up though, still looking good, but on the macro, it's not doing anything. Yeah. Older big caps move first, then mids and lows and memes do their own thing. Yeah. I don't know. The memes, didn't they run in March of this last year? Is the meme season already over? We're just gambling in for no reason now. Could that be the case? Hamid said he bought XRP yesterday at 156. Was it a good entry? Why are you buying XRP after it pumped? Zeta chain. Yeah, like we're looking at these things in the dirt, like XCN, and there's some bigger coins too. The bigger ones are pumping, but I don't understand why people pile into things when they're going to the moon. But yeah, we looked at XRP earlier. It smacked right into. Let me look. Smacked right into the 786, I believe. It's all going to depend on what Bitcoin does this week. If Bitcoin doesn't do anything or break 100K, which if it does, then Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, XLM, all these huge cap coins are going to start running again. Pepe's about to start running. Shiba's about to start running. We keep going over that. Yeah, H-bar. Yeah, XRP came up here and just smacked right into the 786 resistance, and that was all she wrote. Especially if we go to the monthly. And it made a lower high once again. So it could still come back down. I'm not saying it is, but that's how it always happens for me. If I ever buy something with a large green candle in it and it's going to the moon, everyone's bullish on it, I buy in and that just stops it right there. The move's over. But the only thing you can do is low to the high. As long as you're over 117, you're still bullish here. I guess we could do one more. But yeah, we drew the bullish pattern on the small time frame and she went again. It's not looking too bad. We'll just have to see what happens. I have no idea. But buying something on large green candles at resistance is never a good idea. But you bought at 156. Yeah, he came down and bounced off the 0.5. And he stuck right at the 382. So if you can get back over 146 here, you'll be in good shape once again. And then 164 is your price to beat. But there's no telling what's going to happen here. Huge run. Taking profits and putting it into SUKU. That must be nice. Most of the big caps won't 10x from where they are. Yeah, especially now that they moved. Same thing with XRP here. Let me see. XRP. My boy said $30 XRP. It was another YouTuber. But XRP, if it goes to the target of that, I think it's going to $5. 3.5x. If it's going to go that high. $280 billion market cap. But yeah, that's the target I have. Samuel says SUKU again. Don't tell me SUKU is moving now. Yeah, someone says Zeta. I don't know where we have the Zeta chart. And I can't believe it's already 5 o'clock. When did we start this stream? 2 o'clock? Zeta on Coinbase. YGG, I forgot about that. Yeah, it's still making higher highs and higher lows. Curling up, getting accumulated, holding the uptrend. Looks good. Once you break over 77, 78 here, the 382, and hold for once, which if it's going to keep up the structure here, then it should come up and make a higher high unless it's going to have a huge spike. So maybe the next move up is up to the 0.5 at 99. %40 move. What the heck? Yeah, it's right below the 786 at 712 or 719, 72. It's just stair-stepping its way up. It looks like it's about to just go. It also looks like Vara. Remember when Vara did this and we were bullish on it and then it just... But there's not enough time for that. But you said SUKU again? Oh damn, it looks just like YGG. Look at the chart. Zeta and then YGG. Same exact chart. That's crazy. Yeah, SUKU's still down here. It hasn't broke out yet. This is why I want to buy SUKU right now, because I can just see this thing spawning in 100% candle here. It's going to spawn in overnight, and we're going to come on the live stream. Yo, SUKU pumped. And I'm like, yeah, of course it did. But yeah, SUKU's about to 2x. Let me look at that Zeta again. Were we looking on the... Was I on the daily chart? Oh no, that's 3-day. But yeah. XRP got an agreement with Apple Pay. I mean, that's all good and well. There's only so high a market cap's going to go on anything. Maybe XRP is going to surprise. I would be shocked if XRP became bigger than I think it's going to be. But what do I know? Look at Zilliqa here. Formation. It almost looks like a bed to me, with the post and then almost another post, but it's curled up, sleeping in the bed, and then it just wakes up and goes out of the grave. Zilliqa's done leaving again. XYO. I don't even know if that's the right chart. All right, yeah, let's see here. Can XRP take the place of Ethereum? No idea. I don't think it will ever. No, we didn't look at Mavia, but I saw it was pumping. XYO. Yeah, XYO's got some good targets here too. I just did an update on this one. 2 pennies, 4 pennies, 786 retracements, a 4.5x. Comes up near the high, a 9x, maybe a higher high, a 10x, or 2.7 billion market cap to a 24x. Yeah, I don't remember the last time we looked at Mavia or what we said about it, but yeah. Oh, this is the one that was going completely sideways down here. Hold on. All right, I had to take a phone call real quick. Mavia. Yeah, maybe a barcoded, and now it's moving. Used to hold over 185, get over 260. Yeah, as long as you're over 185, 186 there, this thing looks good. New high on this one, 650 million, 9.5, almost a 10x. 786 retracement, 3x. 207 million market cap, but it looks good right now. If it can finally hold over this level where it's been getting stuck at, then you're in good shape. Bottom is finally in. But yeah, this thing has done nothing forever. You got a huge bag at $1.10 on Mavia. Damn, you almost bought the bottom. Good. Good job. It looks like it finally is going to start going up now. What's up, John? Long-term targets for SUKU. We've looked at SUKU so much today. SUKU. But yeah, there's an update on the channel. I just did SUKU and math. I think GST's next. SUKU, probably 70 cents. This is where I would take profit at. 9x from today. And it hasn't moved yet. 618 retracement, very possible. 4.5, almost a 5x. 36. But yeah, 70 is probably, if I own a lot of SUKU, I would let it pump up, get stuck, sell. I would do that and then buy back in. Just, it's probably going to pump soon and hit the 382 here, hit the trend and get stuck for a minute. But long-term target, I would look at this. And then moonbag target would be the 800 million market cap, almost a 60x to 450. But yeah, if I had a big bag of SUKU, this is where I would sell, or no, here, 70 cents. Yeah, I got a lot of targets on SEI too. SEI is another one that had the degen pattern here. It's pumping up. It's over the 618 now. Let's pull this over. So if you could stay over 59 on SEI, this thing's in real good shape. This downwards move is over. If we can hold over that. And then targets, you mean like top targets? I get too many different price targets, wondering what you thought. Well, there's a billion targets you can come up with. If you mean short term, as long as you're over 5.9 here, not much of a wick to go off of because it's still bullish here. It's still pumping right now, so this is gonna change. But yeah, I would keep it that simple. As long as you're over the 618 at 594 here, she's good to go. Price to beat is 796. And then 36 billion market cap would take you up to a 16x to $10. I know I've asked it before, but I don't remember what the target range is for SEI. 11 billion market cap to 337 for 5x. Yeah, I think this target's definitely going to get hit. But I don't remember. I think we said $10 was a good target on SEI. I do not remember. What is the market cap right now on SEI? SEI 2.7 billion. Okay. Yeah, I like these two targets on it. Maybe it hits $10 and does about a 15x or so. But she's pumping right now. Seems high to you. Oh, we'll see. It's definitely going to hit this. So maybe it hits the $3 range. Yeah, this would be a good solid one because that's probably more likely than not going to get hit. A 1618 retracement. Still a good, a solid 5x on your investment from today. If you bought back here, then it's even more. But yeah, we're probably going to end this soon. We're already 3 hours in, over 3 hours, aren't we? Yeah, we're just over 3 hours. Look at that. Now we got 30 people, 35 people on YouTube in here. How's everyone doing? Yeah, I'm the same way. If I get money into the market, I think if I get some decent 5x's, I'm just going to roll over into something that hasn't run. Just keep rolling it over. AOS. Yeah, this is what we're waiting for PNG to do. PNG is just lagging. Oh no. I mean, it looks overall bullish here. Just grinding up. Probably got stuck right at the 786 here. Yep. Smacked right into the 786. Can't get past it. 82. That's why it's getting stuck. But as long as you're over 6.7 here, you have a shot. But once you break over this 8.2 level, then you're good to go. But that's what we keep seeing. Things are pumping, but they're getting stuck right at resistance. To the T almost sometimes. You've got 30 different cryptos. Jeez. You're going to make it then. Swift coin update, please. What is Swift doing? Oh yeah, someone said Stronghold earlier, I believe, and I forgot all about that. Yeah, Swift coin's not doing anything. It looks like SUKU. It's still down here stuck, hasn't ran yet. Is Swift coin on Coinbase? The bottom's officially in over 3.2. It's getting stuck at the 3.2 at 3.9. Once it gets over 3.9, it's bullish and it's going to start running like we've seen everything else in this formation. We had the initial dip and then the higher lows, and then some of them made a little bit of a more dip here, and then they just go from there. This one's doing the exact same thing here. So once you get over 3.9, it's off to the races. And yet again, you can see the trend line here. There's a good chance it comes all the way up here and hits that previous level and hits the trend. Excuse me. So we may get a move out of Swift coin here all the way up here, and it's going to get stuck instantly. 130% move coming, loading in right now. Everyone pile into Swift coin and SUKU. Not financial advice. Uh, let's see here. Five X out of AOS. Hamid says, should I switch my XRP to quants? I cannot answer that, my man. Someone in the chat can talk to you. AOS will hit $7. I don't remember what our target is. We just talked about it too. Yeah. $8. 10x to $8. We got 25 people left in here. Trying to break a record here. The record used to be 10 super chats, now it's 20. We're sitting at 19. And then the other record is getting over 100 people in here. A couple of streams ago, we had 80 people. That combined, of course, with Twitter. Is BTC starting to move up again, or what? Bitcoin, of course, Monday's going to be bullish as hell. Everything's going to start running again. That'd be crazy if it broke over 100K just out of nowhere. Yeah, this is the Coinbase chart. I don't like Coinbase charts. Oh, dominance is back below 60. This is dropping. Get ready. We're about to go to the moon. This thing's going to come all the way down here, and the alts are going to go to the moon. Yeah, last couple of streams, though, there's been no one here. It's been just dead. Oh, yeah, Stronghold. Jat B says, what? In a Patreon that costs £300 per month. How much is that in dollars? He says, I'm so much better. I appreciate the words there. Crypto Shock. I appreciate that. You didn't have to do that. Let's break the record. Can you check Stater? Thanks for all you do, brother. No, we hit 20 super chats. We're up to 40 people now. We're going to the moon. BTC is about to break 100K. We're going to get 100 people in here. SD. Yeah, we'll look at SD, and it's going to be the last thing for now. We're already 3 hours in, but I appreciate that. My voice is starting to go out. I got to get a better setup. I need to get a desk, a cooling pad, a better computer, um, glass of water, some coffee on the side, and we'll just stay here forever. SD, wrong chart. But yeah, what it was, did drift ever stop moving? This marker, I swear. Yeah, SD came up. It's been doing nothing forever. Got stuck right at the 382 for the last 3 weeks here. 3 weekly candles just smacking into it. Can't break through. So 112 is the price to beat. To be bullish, it'll break through it at some point. But yeah, you can see it got smacked right into there. Yeah, you need to get a weekly close over 112 on SD here. But other than that, as long as you stay over where you're holding perfectly, is 81. 81, then 103, and then 112 on SD here. But not a bad little run. And then from where you are right now, we are here. SD to the new high at 47, $2.3 billion market caps of 47.5x. I don't know, 50x. So can SD hit a $2.3 billion market cap? That's the question. What did I say, a $2.3 billion market cap? $50 million market cap, so a billion's not out of the question. All right, I'll take this. I'll take this, a 6x. $6 SD, $250 million market cap for a 6.5x. Damn it, how'd this move? All right, a 6x. Yeah, I appreciate that. No, we didn't do Prime. We did Prime yesterday, I believe. I never remember the Prime chart because I don't think Yeah, Prime's still sleeping. It has the same bottom formation that we've seen on those Coinbase coins. Once it breaks over 11, it's off to the races. And then Prime here, not a bad move. Let's move this up to where we are now. If it's going to come up here and hit the 2272, 7x to a 3 billion market cap. But it's probably going to wake up from this formation soon and pump and come all the way up here and do about 120% move. But it looks just like the SUKU chart, but up here. Someone said no SUKU earlier. Why'd you say that? Yeah, I'm about to get off and go get something to drink, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Maybe Bitcoin will start moving up or something, and we'll get some more people up in here. But yeah, I'll be back on tomorrow. Just look out for the note. I usually put it out a couple of hours before. Oh damn, Robert! I almost got out of here without looking at Stronghold. But yeah, you just go look at the channel, and then you got to go hit the notification thing on the stream. I try to put it out an hour or two before I'm going to stream. That way people can catch it. Stronghold's getting stuck. Ooh. Yeah, Stronghold's getting stuck. It's been holding the 1618 forever. You know this if you've watched the channel. But it came up here and smacked into the 2272. Told it no at 991. So 91 is the price to beat. But it looks good here. It broke the downtrend. It pumped. The Stronghold, once it breaks over that level, a penny and a half is next, and she'll spike up 80% if you can get over 9. And then $354 million market cap, up to 6.5 pennies. Decent 7.5, close to an 8x on this one. And then the moonshot, I guess, would be the top of the fib here. I don't know the market cap right now. 886 million market cap would be here. 16.5 pennies to the top of the fib, and 18. We'll just say a 19x. But yeah, it hit resistance, and then let's see if it's going to stay bullish real quick. As long as you're over 73, 0073. Well, let me fix that. 0074 is your price to stay bullish. You're really in doubt about XRP. Yeah, just listen to the guys in the chat. I can't tell you what to do. XRP hit resistance, but if Bitcoin's going to continue to run and break 100K, it's still going to keep running. The only thing I was trying to get across is I would never buy something that ran that hard already. But if you guys know that I like things down at the bottom here, because every time I've ever bought anything that's running, it never works out. Which, like I said, ALGO, everything's running on me now. Oh, Dogecoin. Are we back to being bullish because BTC started to pump again? Doge is pushing through the 786 right now. We're back. Yeah, the chart, it looks still extremely bullish, even though it hit resistance. That was just my big thing. All right, so yeah, we're just going to leave it there. 3.5 hours in. Arrow, Velo, and PNG doing anything, huh? Not yet. They will at some point. They will. All right, yeah, we'll leave it at that. I appreciate all you guys coming in here. We finally got the stronghold done. We did a lot, covered a lot in the last couple hours. We didn't do a lot of meme coins again like we used to do. All the meme gamblers are never here anymore. But it is the weekend. It is Sunday. But I appreciate you guys coming in here. We hit a milestone today. We got 20 super chats. First time ever. One of these days we'll get 100 viewers in here. Yeah, and like he just said, not everything's going to run together. Some things won't run at all. Depends on what it is. Some things will run at the very, very end of the market. Some things will top early. And always realize that when the bull market's over, no matter what something has, tech-wise, use-wise, everything's going to go back down to where it came from. Everything's going to drop back down 100% into the bear market. But with that being said, I appreciate you guys here. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on the stream. Peace out.